Hi everybody, you got Burger King app, but the coupons won't load up. This happened to me last week. I tried to buy me a Whopper for $1. I use this app, Burger King, because this is the only ways you get the good deals. So if you go to Burger King, they have all four of them. They have coupons, restaurants, order, and reorder. If you go to coupons, it won't load up. Mine's already been fixed, but this happened to me last week. I tried press coupon and nothing will show up. Nothing loads up. So I will show you how to fix that. Just go back, go to Play Store, search for Burger King, press uninstall, wait for a little bit. You install this again. It's installing right now. Now you go to Burger King, just press open. Okay. Now you gotta sign in. So let me move my camera up here. You up here in this little circle, just press it. You gotta log in, sign in. So press login. They don't have Google, so try logging on Facebook if you can. It's more easier. After that, just go to coupons and it should be fixed. You should see Whopper. They have it right here for $1 and the more stuff down here. Thanks for watching. That's the way you could fix it for now, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.